how to set moderations in your Discord server. So from within your Discord server, go ahead and select on the little drop down server settings option, and from the little pop-up menu that comes here, click on server settings. After you've clicked on that, go ahead and go down on the left hand side until you get to the moderation tab. Once you've clicked on that, you'll be given a couple options. The first one you'll have here is the verification level, then the explicit media content filter, and finally a two-factor requirement for moderation. So the first one here talks about what kind of members of the server must meet the following criteria before they can send messages in text channels or initiate a direct message conversation. If a member has an assigned role, this does not apply. Okay, so look at the design roles. So when you have the roles here, like we covered yesterday, I'll put a little card here upper right hand corner so you can learn how to do roles. Basically, these will override whatever the general moderation settings are set at. So what I can have right now, the way I have it is if somebody joins the Discord server, they can do and post whatever they want. Low must have a verified email in their Discord account. I also have a video on how to verify your account as well. Must be registered on Discord for longer than 5 minutes, must be a member of the server for longer than 10 minutes, and finally must have a verified phone on their Discord account. So for myself, I only really want people that have a verified phone on their Disc account, or I only want must also be a member of this Discord for longer than 10 minutes. So I think this is the one I want the most. But when I go back and I think about it, and you'll have to think about this too, is if somebody's coming to your Discord server and they need help or something like that immediately, you don't want them to have to wait. So I think I'll just leave mine set as low. So they must have at least have a verified email on their Discord account. So I don't want them to be like a robot that managed to get through and create a fake account. So I go ahead and click on Save Changes. And if I want, I can also set the explicit media content filter, which will automatically scan and delete media sent in the server that contains explicit content. Please choose how broadly the filter will apply to members in your server. We recommend setting a filter for a public Discord. Okay, so for mine's going to be public, and I don't want people to post like whatever they want, wherever they want. So I'm basically just going to scan media content from all members. Okay. Actually, I'll probably do it from scan media content from members without a role. So somebody who's new and joins the channel, I'll probably go into the roles section and edit their role ability and what they can do based on that. But basically, I want everybody who doesn't have a role to not be able to post whatever they want in terms of pictures in case there's any lewd content that might show up. I'll go ahead and click on Save Changes. And this right here is the two-factor requirement for moderation. So this requires that people who go to modify your server have to be two-factor enabled. I myself have not enabled two-factor on this account yet, or this public server, so I can't click this or choose this. But after I've gone through and enabled two-factor, it will of course allow me to do this, and I will be doing that in another video, how to enable two-factor on Discord. So that was my video on how to set moderation within your Discord server.